Hello, beautiful people, and welcome to English Learning Channel. I am Emma.
And hi, everyone. I'm Daniel, and I'm really happy you're here with us today.
Let me ask you something honestly. Have you ever wanted to speak English but stayed quiet because you were afraid people might laugh?
That feeling hurts a little, and many beginners feel it, but today, we are going to change that together.
Because listen carefully. Making mistakes in English is not embarrassing. Staying silent because of fear is what stops progress.
And today, we will help you speak with confidence using something very simple and powerful, the simple present tense.
This tense is the one you use every single day. When you talk about your life, your habits, and who you are.
And the best part, you already use it in your own language, so English is not as scary as it feels.
Before we start, relax your shoulders, take a small breath, and remind yourself, I am learning, not performing.
Exactly. No exams here, no judgment, just friendly conversation.
Daniel, can I share something personal?
Of course, go ahead.
When I was learning English, I once said, he go to office, and someone laughed.
Oh no, that moment stays in your head for a long time.
Yes, but later I learned something important. People laugh because they forget they were beginners too.
And mistakes like that are actually signs of learning, not failure.
So let's make this very easy. The simple present tense is used for daily life.
Things you do every day, things you like, things that are always true.
For example, listen carefully. I wake up early.
I drink tea in the morning.
I study English.
See, simple, clear, and strong.
Here is the simple structure. Subject plus verb.
For example, I work, you study, we learn.
No extra words, no stress.
But now comes a small twist. And don't worry, it's easy.
When we talk about he, she, or it, something changes just a little.
And this is where many people laugh. But today we will master it.
For he, she, and it, we add s to the verb.
For example, he works.
She studies.
It rains a lot here.
That's it. Only one small letter, but it makes your English sound correct.
That little s is small, but very powerful.
Yes, it's like English saying, hey, don't forget me. Now let's practice real sentences you can use today.
Repeat in your head or out loud if you can.
I go to university.
I attend classes.
My teacher explains the lesson.
My friend helps me.
These are not fancy sentences, but they are confident sentences.
Emma, can I say something important to our viewers?
Please do.
People don't laugh at confidence, even if your grammar is not perfect.
That is so true. Confidence speaks louder than perfect English. If this lesson is helping you feel calmer about English, please like this video.
And subscribe to Learn with Amna so you can practice with us again.
Let's fix a few common mistakes gently.
Wrong sentence. She go to class.
Correct sentence, she goes to class.
Wrong. He eat lunch at 1.
Correct. He eats lunch at 1.
Every correction makes you stronger.
Imagine this. You are in class and someone asks about you.
You smile and say, I study computer science.
I enjoy learning new things.
Simple, calm, confident.
Please remember this one thing.
Your English does not need to be perfect to be respected.
It only needs to be honest and brave.
Every fluent speaker you admire once said, he go, she eat, and learned slowly.
Thank you for trusting us with your learning journey.
We are proud of you for trying, for listening, and for practicing.
Before you go, write one simple present sentence in the comments.
For example, I learn English every day
And remember, don't let anyone laugh at your English.
because one day they will listen to you.
See you in the next lesson.